Do you get green with envy? Is your bank account in the black or the red? Are you a yellow belly? Well, today we're going to be talking about colour idioms, and what that means is, where are you going? Come back. Come back. What are you doing? I'm trying to make a video. What are you doing? Where are you going? Come back here. Back. What are you doing? What are you doing? Okay. There you are. Okay, I guess we're on a little field trip today. So, hi everyone, my name is Teacher David. Today we're diving into something bright, fun, and super useful for English learners. Colour idioms. Colours are everywhere in English, not just in what we see, but in how we feel, how we describe people, how we talk about emotions, money, danger, jealousy, success, and even death. At the end of this video, I'm going to give you two big lists, a list of common colour idioms with meanings, and a list of slang or rhyming slang, expressions that involve colours, including ones like brown bread. So, stay tuned to the end to get the full list. Why colours are linked to feelings. Colours have strong associations in English-speaking cultures, and these cultural meanings create idioms. Here are the main colour-feeling connections. Red, anger, danger, passion, excitement. Red is a strong, powerful colour. It's used in stop signs, warning signs, and things that mean be careful. So idioms often describe strong, intense feelings. When I saw my bike was stolen, I was seeing red, meaning I was extremely angry. Blue, sadness, calm, or stability. Blue is a calm colour, the ocean, the sky. But in idioms, blue often means sadness. He's been feeling blue since he lost his job. Green, jealousy, nature, newness. Think of the green-eyed monster, jealousy. But green can also be positive, natural, fresh, or new, environmentally friendly. She was green with envy when she saw my new phone. He's still a greenhorn, totally new at this job. Yellow, fear or cowardice. In Old English and American culture, yellow was used to describe someone who was scared or unwilling to act. Don't be so yellow-bellied. Go for it. Black, mystery, power, secrecy, or negativity. It was a black day for the company, meaning it was a bad day. He is the black sheep of the family. No one likes him. He's the most unpopular member of the family. White, purity, honesty, surrender, simplicity. It's just a white lie. Don't worry. They waved the white flag and gave up. By understanding these cultural meanings first, the idioms make perfect sense later. And I've done many videos on idioms. Go and check some of my older videos for idioms. Teaching colour idioms in real context. So here's how to use these idioms in everyday English. I'll give you the idiom, the meaning, and example sentence you can teach or act out. Red idioms. Caught red-handed, meaning caught while doing something wrong. For example, the students were caught red-handed, cheating on the test. Red tape, meaning complicated rules or procedures. For example, there's so much red tape in government offices. Paint the town red, meaning to celebrate and have a wild night out. It's his birthday. We're going to paint the town red. In the red. This is a negative one, meaning losing money or being in debt. My bank account is in the red this month. Blue idioms. Once in a blue moon, meaning almost never. I go to the cinema once in a blue moon. Out of the blue, meaning unexpectedly. She called me out of the blue after 5 years. Blue in the face, meaning after trying for a long time with no result. You can argue with me until you're blue in the face, but it won't change his mind. Green idioms. Green with envy, meaning extremely jealous. She was green with envy when she saw her new car. The green light, meaning permission to start. The project was given the green light. Green fingers or green thumb, meaning good at gardening. Green fingers British, green thumb American. Mrs. K has green fingers. She's always in the garden, collecting her flowers. Green around the gills, meaning looking sick. Are you okay? You look a little green around the gills. Yellow idioms. Only two for this one. Yellow-bellied, meaning cowardly. He ran away from trouble because he was a yellow-belly. Yellow journalism, meaning exaggerated or fake news. And we all know about fake news, especially recently. That newspaper is full of yellow journalism. Black idioms. The black sheep, meaning the odd one out. I'm the black sheep of my family because I am the only one not living in the United Kingdom. Blackout, meaning to lose consciousness. She got so drunk she blacked out. Also can be very dangerous. Black market, illegal buying or illegal selling. I bought some drugs on the black market. I didn't really. Black comedy, dark or morbid humor. Charlie Chaplin made some black comedy movies. Okay, our last one with meanings and examples. White idioms. A white lie, meaning a harmless lie. Telling the children the tooth fairy wasn't real was a white lie. Raise a white flag. It means to surrender. The French surrendered and showed a white flag. White as a sheet. Extremely pale. Your whole face goes very white. When he saw the ghost, he went white as a sheet. White collar, meaning an office worker. Blue collar, manual labor worker. But a white collar is an office worker. Many Japanese men are white collar workers. So that is all of the colours and some idioms for each of the colours with meanings and some examples. And before we go on to our two lists of colour idioms and slang, rhyming slang idioms, I would just like to tell you about where I am. I'm in the centre of Bangkok. I'm in a coffee shop restaurant called Cabbages and Condoms. Now they deal with everything sexually transmitted infection-wise, so they're trying to keep people safe. It's a lovely little coffee shop. The food's good. I currently have a mango smoothie, which is absolutely delicious. So anyway, let's move on with our lists. List 1, common and useful colour idioms. Red, see red, caught red-handed, red tape, paint the town red, in the red, red hot, red flag. Blue, once in a blue moon, out of the blue, blue in the face, blue Monday, feel blue, blue humour. Green, green with envy, the green light, green fingers, green thumb, greenhorn. Green around the gills, give someone the green light. Yellow, yellow-bellied, yellow journalism, yellow card. This one's a warning, it's from sports. If you watch football, you know what I'm talking about. Black, black sheep, blackout, black market, black comedy, black and blue, covered in bruises, a black look, angry look, and blackmail. White, white lie, white flag, white as a sheet, a white elephant. That is something that is expensive, but completely useless. Whitewash, to cover up the truth. Governments never whitewash anything. List number 2. So colour slang, rhyming slang, a Cockney rhyming slang, which is from London, and colour slang. Brown bread, dead. Scarlet, extremely embarrassed. Tickled pink, very pleased. A true blue, very loyal. As black as your hat, really dark. Black and white, very clear and simple. In the pink, in good health. Pink slip, fired from a job. This is mainly an American one. Red mist, sudden anger. A blue movie, an adult movie. Black dog, deep depression, famous because of Churchill. Grey area, not clear, not defined. Golden oldie, something old, but very good. Silver lining, a positive part of a bad situation. Silver surfer, an older person who is a regular internet user. Born with a silver spoon in your mouth means to be born rich, to be born into wealth. So these aren't all rhyming slang, but they are slang-like expressions involving colour. And that's it for today, guys. Colours in English are rich with meaning. They help us describe emotions, actions, money, health, and even personality. Understanding colour idioms is a great way to sound more natural, fluent, and expressive in English. Let me know in the comments which idiom was new for you today, which one you'll try using this week. Thanks for watching all the way to the end. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. I'll see you later.